Prince isn't going to join me with the accents, or are you going to join me with the Australian accent?
Good morning, everyone.
Good
If that's an
morning.
Australian accent.
Yeah, we'll hope for it. But at the back there, Viddyoze Park, Joe, we are at Xcede Performance. They're having a little, I think it's like a BMW Dyno day.
Yeah.
That's pretty much the only reason Prince came, because he saw there's BMWs there.
Fanboy right here.
Yeah, so we're gonna check out some. Hopefully, there's some power pools. I don't hear any cars currently. We're gonna check out the cars that are in the background. Show you guys around. So thank you for joining. And yeah, I don't know. We'll see what we can get up to today. Let's do it. Guys, we are gonna leave now. It's taken quite a while to get the cars loaded onto the dyno. Prince, what was your Favorite car of the day?
My favorite has to be the M2 Comp.
M2 Comp, what, that silverish, I'm not sure what the color is called.
Yeah, Hockenheim. No, that's not Hockenheim. But
Everything's
made 309 kilowatts and 600
and something
newton
newton meters.
So that was
Yeah.
insane.
For me, my favorite car was that Audi there, but power-wise, that M140, the dark grey one, the hatch.
Oh, that was a big
I think
surprise.
that was like 322 kilowatts.
Sounded amazing.
Sounded amazing. But yeah, we are heading out, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Yeah, I don't know when we'll probably come to another dyno day or so
100%.
in the future. Maybe a little the rock drifting action sometime soon.
Yes, we're gonna do that.
Yeah, we'll do that. But thank you guys for joining. Smash the like and subscribe, and then we'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.
Memphis, man.